Oh no no, fugo ni feti ne chukwu no baka. Ebele chukwu ga sasa. Otego nwoke bido bibe ni chua now. Malaga mapasa no bona gaga. Imana mena bana sigo nuzi jeo. Ufodo kacha kwete no nene. Biko chukwa dama ona mani neme mao. Aga mapune sibonya mama. Asim fugo ni feti nyele chukwu no baka. Ebele chukwu ga sasa. Otego nwoke bido bibe ni chua now. Malaga mapasa no bona gaga. Imana mena bana sigo nuzi jeo. Ufando kacha kwete no neme. Biko chukwa dama ona mani neme mao. Amamnaga mapune sibonya mama.
The last time I showed you guys the second Niger Bridge access road, I was unable to show you the interchange along that Benin-Asaba Express Road. So yesterday I visited that location again, and this time around I decided to give you guys the full video of that interchange, and for you guys to see the progress that has been made so far. Here is the interchange. As you can see for yourself, the progress that has been made since they started this particular construction. So the last time I visited, I give you guys a little bit of the view, but today you can see the proper view of the construction. Though from what I'm seeing right now, the last time I visited here, I can tell you guys enough progress has not been made since the last time I visited, so you can see everything for yourself. So for those who are not aware where this particular construction is located, it is located along that Okpanam stroke Asaba / Benin axis. That is where it is located. So if you have not watched the complete video of the access road down to where they currently are and where the road we link to along that Ibuzo road, kindly head over to my channel or check out the link via this particular video. So I give you guys the view of that interchange. If you are coming from Okpanam City Gate heading towards Asaba, right now I'm going back to Okpanam City Gate to show you what the view looks like from that side, from Asaba axis down to Okpanam City Gate. That is what you're about to watch right now. Kindly bear with me. The motor that I entered, the screen was somehow not good, but I have to do this. That is why I keep on doing what I'm doing, so you can see everything for yourself. Once we get closer to that place, you will see it. So this particular route before that flyover, if you are coming from Asaba, is also very bad. The road is in a dilapidated state. In short, all I can say is that this Asaba Benin Express way is nothing to write home about. The road is going bad every blessed day, and something should be done about it. So this is the looks of the interchange if you are coming from Asaba down to Okpanam City Gate. This is what the flyover looks like. So this is the complete view of what we have around there. So watch, tell us what you feel about it. Do you think they are fast enough, or they are kind of delaying? For me, not very fast, but somehow fast. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly do subscribe to the channel, click on the like button, click on the notification bell, and don't forget guys to share the video. Let it get to wider audience. Thank you guys for watching. Do have a wonderful day.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the petty.